Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily copy a page in your WordPress website. So let's start. There are actually two ways how we can do it, and I'm going to show you both of them. The first one is when you're going to click on pages and you're going to select all the pages here. You want to click like, I don't know, contact here and click edit. And when you got it, I don't have anything here, but what you want to do is just click these three dots on the right upper side and just click here, copy all content. When you got it, you want to click add a new page, and add a new page, just paste it. But what can happen is when you want to add it, you will add it as HTML, you will copy it as HTML. This is why I don't like it that much. So what you need to do then is just click like, let's say, new page. So this is like literally the okay, and add a new page, click here, HTML, and paste the content. And now when I'm going to preview it, it's same as it was, right, the blog page. But there is another way which I like. This is the one of the ways. When you're gonna click on plugins and you want to click add a new plugin, you want to write to search copy page, and you can like so now we're gonna see like duplicate posts here. This is the one we're looking for. You can also duplicate posts, and also you can duplicate pages. So I already installed it, but install it, and when you will have it, you're gonna see it right here, duplicate posts, clone posts and pages. This is what we want. And now when you would go to pages, I would just delete this one here, page, and you're gonna see right here the blog one. And all I have to do, or contact, all I have to do is just click clone. And voila, here we got two clones. How amazing it is, right? So, and it's like the same. And this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments, but I recommend installing the plugin for duplicating the pages. And then if you want, if you duplicate your page, then just deactivate the posts and delete it, the plugin. Thank you everybody, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.